Dun & Bradstreet Validated E-Corporate Profile. Decide with confidence. Intech Capital Limited is a part of Dun & Bradstreet's global database and has been assigned the DUNS number. While the landscapes of many of our nation's cities are dotted with corporate offices and headquarters, the true backbone of our economy is not concentrated in a handful of large companies. Instead, the companies that have a greater impact on India's economy are the small and medium enterprises. SMEs play a vital role for the growth of Indian economy by contributing 45% of the industrial output and 40% of exports. It creates 1 million jobs every year and produces over 8,000 quality products for Indian as well as international markets. In India, large companies have an ease of accessibility to external funding sources, either in the form of raising equity capital or through debt. But many small and medium enterprises have limited access to external sources of funding. This is where Intech Capital Limited steps in. Intech Capital Limited, registered under the RBI Act 1934 and listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange, is one of the leading non-banking financial companies and has been successfully contributing for the development of Indian SMEs since 1994. Headquartered in New Delhi, Intech Capital's geographic reach spreads across India, covering more than 158 SME clusters. The company's rich experience offers innovative and customer-friendly financial solutions, thereby making Intech a specialist in machinery and equipment finance across SME domain.
We have been working very closely with the SMEs and understand their needs, strengths, difficulties, the way their balance sheets are structured and their true profitability, which helps us in servicing them better. Our ability to disburse loans at a fast pace using unique risk assessment methodology along with low delinquencies make us different from other financial institutions. We have the ability to handle loans of small ticket sizes as effectively as we handle our large accounts. It is our endeavor to penetrate deeper to enhance customer touchpoints across India along with association with more and more domestic and international machine manufacturers to service these customers.
Intech Capital Limited's vision is to be the most preferred financial service provider to every Indian entrepreneur, along with the company's mission to provide simple and fast asset acquisition solutions for machines and equipments to small and medium enterprises by proactive collaboration with manufacturers. Catering to industries such as auto and engineering, printing and packaging, plastics and injection molding, pharmaceuticals, medical and healthcare, and food processing, Intech Capital Limited offers a gamut of customized and innovative financial products like term loans, SIDBI subsidy, buyer's credit and leasing. In order to accelerate customer acquisition and ensure portfolio diversification, Intech Capital Limited has developed two business verticals, namely Emerging Entrepreneurs Group EEG and Strategic Business Group SBG. Emerging Entrepreneurs Group focuses on smaller enterprises and first-generation entrepreneurs with loan amount ranging from $500,000 to 5 million rupees, whereas Strategic Business Group caters to medium-scale enterprises for enabling business expansion with loans above 5 million rupees. With years of experience to bank upon, the analysts at Intech Capital possess in-depth understanding of SME operations. They go beyond balance sheets to understand their business operations and the growth potentials that SMEs behold. Several other parameters like qualifications and professional background of the entrepreneur are also taken into consideration. Intech Capital Limited assigns a dedicated relationship manager to each of its customers to ensure smooth functioning of the operations. With in-depth knowledge about the current market scenario, the relationship manager provides tailor-made solutions to the assigned SME customer. The immensely knowledgeable and experienced team of Intech Capital Limited formulates strategies for geographical expansion in the Intech business model and offer innovative financial products in association with machinery manufacturers for the SMEs, effectively making the services available at their doorsteps. On the other hand, the company's existing team of over 250 qualified employees contribute significantly in achieving greater heights in their respective fields. Intech Capital Limited has successfully redefined the loan disbursement process to 7 to 10 working days. The machinery against which the loan is disbursed itself acts as a collateral. Intech has tied up with Indian as well as international machinery manufacturers across its focused sectors and strives to join hands with leading manufacturers across the globe. The ever-growing financial need of the company is served by a total of 18 financial partners, comprising large, nationalized and private banks and various reputed financial institutions. Over the years, growing at a compound annual growth rate of almost 40% in disbursements and assets under management, the company has gained the trust of its stakeholders and assures them long-term returns. To further expand its footprint across SME clusters, Intech aims to open 5 to 6 branches every year. The company also extends its reach by participating in various Indian as well as international machinery exhibitions. SMEs looking at buying new machines at these exhibitions get finance options readily available. Standing testimony to Intech's glowing growth story is the prestigious award of Leading NBFC in SME Finance by SME Chamber of India. While meeting compliances of immaculate documentation, Intech provides customers with insight, knowledge, consultation and services that help entrepreneurs take a quantum leap in business. Welcome to Intech Capital Limited. It's a Dun & Bradstreet Business Insight series offering.